Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a header or add a header to your Google Sheets file. So as you guys knew, there is no specific header settings on Google Sheets unlike in Google Docs. So here's what you can do to create or to add header to your Google Sheets file. So in Google Sheet, you can just use the uh, feature on Google Sheet. So here, for example, I'm going to create a header from the row 1 until row 5. So I'm going to drag this gray thick uh, lines here, drag it to the row 5 like this. So these 5 rows will be freeze. So when I scroll down here, this always will be this 5 rows will always be there here. So it's kind of feel like a header. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.